Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I'm going to share to you up and coming Louis Vuitton bags. So if prices, links, and SKUs are available, I will be putting everything here. So please make sure you take a screenshot and check with your CAs. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about leads about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-going fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's @Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys, I'm very happy to share these upcoming Louis Vuitton bags. These are now all available for pre-order. Prices and SKUs are included. Please take a screenshot and check with your CAs. A big thank you to my CA for sending this information to me, and I'm very happy to share to our fam here. Happy shopping guys! So guys, let us start first with the Fall Winter 2023 collection. So again, these are all pre-orderable now. First, we have the Petite Malle. So it features this very beautiful quilted leather finish, gold hardware, S-lock detail with detachable shoulder strap. Then we have, of course, the very beautiful ALMA BB. Again, it features this very beautiful quilted leather finish. Comes, of course, with the classic two-top handles. It comes with detachable strap, clochette, and bag lock as well. So what do you think, guys, of the quilted leather finish for the Fall-Winter 2023? These are the newer bags of LV. So we have the LV Go 14 size MM. Price, by the way, guys, is 6,000 euro. So again, it features quilted leather finish. It is a flap bag style and it comes with a gold chain strap detail. Then of course, we have a vanity case. Price is 4,500 euro. So again, features quilted leather finish, two strap, leather strap, and chain strap. So again, guys, this is how it looked like on the runway. And then we have another beautiful ALMA BB. Price of this one is 3,500 euro. So again, it features quilted leather finish, and I think the color of this one is navy. So it features two top handles, gold hardware, clochette, and bag lock as well. Then we have this OMG obsessing on the size ALMA GM. Price is 5,500 euro. Again, features quilted leather finish. This is how it looked like on the runway. So again, gold hardware, clochette, and bag lock definitely comes with. Then we have another new bag. So we have the Louis Vuitton Go 14. Price is 3,500 euro. So this is a micro version. So again, quilted leather finish with chain strap detail. Then we have Louis Vuitton Go 14 size MM. Price is 6,000 euro. Beautiful beige color. It features again the quilted leather finish, and of course come with the gold chain, gold LV twist lock closure as well. Then we have ALMA BB. Price is 3,500 euro. So comes in this beautiful quilted leather finish. Combination is black and white color, gold hardware, gold padlock with clochette. Then we have the Louis Vuitton Go 14. Price is 6,000 euro. Again, for the Fall Winter 2023, black and white colorway, quilted leather finish, gold chain detail, and gold LV twist lock. And then we have the vanity case. Price is 4,500 euro. Again, quilted leather finish with gold hardware. This is how it looked like on the runway. As you could see, it's very teeny tiny, but then again, the price 4,500 euro. Wow. Then we have ALMA PM in color black. Here, the price is 5,500 euro. Quilted leather finish, top handle, comes with clochette and lock as well. Gold hardware, and this is how it looked like on the runway. And then we have micro Louis Vuitton Go 14. Price is 3,500 euro. So guys, please take note that this is a micro size, so I am guessing that it could only house our credit cards, IDs, lipsticks, and maybe a key. And then we have Louis Vuitton Go 14 size MM. Price is 6,000 euro. Wow. So again, quilted leather finish. I am loving this black and gold hardware combo. It is my favorite. So gold chain, then gold LV twist lock. So this is from the receipt. So again, thank you to my CA for sending these. So we have the newer bags being shown here. So we have the Louis Vuitton Go 14. So I believe these are the regular size and the size MM. And then we have more from the Fall Winter 2023. So we have the Louis Vuitton Go 14 in this very beautiful jade green or Bottega green color. Then we have two ALMA BBs. Again, if I'm not mistaken, price of these sizes is 3,500 euro. So guys, we have discussed this previously, but as promised, once I have the prices, I would be sharing everything to you. So first, we have the Monogram Taurillon collection. We have Keepel Bandolier. Price here in the Philippines is 231k. Again, all the bags that I'm discussing here are now available for pre-order. Then we have Christopher MM, still part of the Monogram Taurillon collection. Price is 286,000 pesos. It features this very beautiful blue empreinte leather and it is a backpack style. I love it has multi-pocket details as well. We have Keepel 25 Bandolier. So price is 161k, empreinte leather and backpack style. Guys, just look how much the price increased. Remember the neon green of this one? I think it was only priced 150k when it launched last year. And then we have from the new Macassar collection. First, we have the Discovery Backpack PM. Price is 154k. Then, still from the new Macassar collection, we have the S-Lock Messenger. Price is 168,000 Philippine pesos. Monogram canvas, leather trims, black hardware in guitar or black guitar canvas strap. Christopher MM. Price is 192k. Wow, super expensive. So this features monogram canvas. It is a backpack style. It has leather trims, and guys, the leather trims would resemble a pre-treated vachetta. What do you think of the Christopher MM? Then super cute Keepel 25 Bandolier. So this one good. The price is only 133,000. So again, features monogram canvas, leather detail, top handle, bag tag, and canvas strap. Then the soon-to-be famous soft polish-on bag. Price, now we know, 168,000 Philippine pesos. So what do you think of the price of this new bag of LV? So again, monogram canvas, leather detail, top handle, bag tag, and it has a slouchy design. Then we have handle soft trunk. Price is 185,000. So again, monogram canvas, black leather trims, and then of course treated leather trims that would resemble pre-treated vachetta. Comes with detachable canvas strap. Then we have a DOP kit. So price is 56,000 Philippine pesos. Again, entirely made of monogram canvas with leather trims. Then we have Kipaw 45 Bandolier from the new Macassar collection. Size 45, price is 147,000 Philippine pesos. So if you are afraid of the regular bacheta, then you want to check this out because again, everything is pre-treated. Do not afraid of water stains. Then we have the Trio Messenger, price is 147k. So the best part of this bag is you are going to purchase 3 bags in one. So we have the large pouch, we have the medium pochette, and it comes with the Monogram key clay as well. We have the Avenue Sling bag, price is 122,000. So again, Monogram canvas, leather trims, and it is a bomb bag style. Next, let us check out the shoes that was sent to me by my CA. So we have this very beautiful moccasin shoe in this very beautiful color as well. This one, guys, I super love the Louis Vuitton Oasis Mule. Comes in different colors. Then we have the Louis Vuitton loafer. And then we have more moccasin in this very beautiful dove gray front leather. Then going back to the very beautiful Louis Vuitton Oasis Mules. So beautiful, and just look at this beautiful gray color. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So if you have stayed at this part of the episode, kindly leave a bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. So among the very beautiful bags that we have discussed for today, did you like anything so far? Kindly comment down below which ones are you adding to your wish list. Before we end our episode, I'm inviting you guys to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Romero52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!